How do you know when the Bay Area RC car bashers arrive to your event?
It's over with, man. It's done with.
They show up with style and they announce their presence. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because the other weekend, the Bay Area Bashers headed to San Leandro to spend a Sunday with the Bay Area RC drag racing crew. We brought up a bash ramp and did some bashing. We broke out the 8S Limitless and Infraction cars, and we even brought out the 8S dirt trucks, the X-Max, the Creightons, and the Outcasts. And we drag raced those as well. And you're not going to want to miss this epic RC action. So stay tuned.
Give me my money. Give me my motherfucking money. Stop fucking with me. Stop fucking with me, man. Nigga, it was a death. Nigga, 150, nigga. I put 10 cars on his ass. Got him.
No, you didn't.
Got him.
No, you didn't.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
I got you by the corner head by at least a corner.
He came and got you.
I need to see the replay.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.